Welcome to this week's Lead with Purpose Friday Digest. Today I'd like to talk about JD Leadership Academies. You know that most people have their first leadership position when they're 26, and they get their first leadership development when they're 42. That gap is significant, and primarily it's on-the-job training. This year, for 2018, we've developed a whole new curriculum for JD Leadership Academies, ways that you can help develop your team internal in your organization. And Anson Flake, former owner of HydroWorks here in Harrisburg, has had the JD Leadership Academy in HydroWorks for several years. So Anson, tell us what happened in those leadership academies.
Yeah, well, I was looking for a way to get our team together and have a facilitation of key issues in an environment that the truth of any challenge that we were having would come out. And through your facilitation of our academy, I felt like we were getting to the heart of matters on a regular basis, where without it, we just weren't going so deep. Another part of that was the one-to-ones with the different leaders. You would circle back with the leaders and they would have this one-to-one time. So if they were having an issue, even with me, they could talk with you about it, they could be candid with you about it, and I think that helped the overall continuity of my organization, the culture. The academy itself, though, we had great speakers. We had a great learning environment, and we had a great opportunity to focus on the key challenges and the key opportunities every other month. And I thought that it drove our company from here to here. Without it, I would give it a 10 out of 10. It was huge for us. And it also prepped us. It helped us prep for the sale of our business. And so it was fantastic.
Yeah. If you'd like your organization to help develop leaders at every level, I think the JD Leadership Academies are something that you ought to take a look at. Just drop me a note. We'll send you a brochure. We'll talk to you about what we have. Very flexible in terms of having them quarterly, semi-annually, annually, whatever works for your organization. But I do believe we can make a difference in helping develop leaders at every level in your organization. Send me a note at jd@johndame.com. Also, look for the items this week in the Lead with Purpose Friday Digest. I always look for things that'll help you be a more purposeful leader and produce better results for your organization. Thanks.